what you've done. You better believe that I'll be showing up. Now look where you started now. There's nowhere to turn, there's nowhere left to hide. And my blood runs cold as you lose control. Now look what you've done. What have you done? You're on to me, I'm on to you. You ain't never getting by me. Bring it on, 'cause I feel like fighting. You ain't never gonna break me. Bring it on, 'cause I feel like I've been secretly out to try this. Bring it on, 'cause I feel like sirens seeking you out in silence. Bring it on, 'cause I feel like you're on to me, I'm on to you. If we could go back, I would have tried to tell you how it felt. Crimson and black. We could have stopped the world before it cracked. But my blood went cold as you lost control. Now look what you've done. What have you done? You're on to me, I'm on to you. You ain't never getting by me. Bring it on, 'cause I feel like fighting. You ain't never gonna break me. Bring it on, 'cause I feel like I've been secretly out to try this. Bring it on, 'cause I feel like sirens seeking you out in silence. Bring it on, 'cause I feel like I've been searching, I'm searching, my mind is so heavy, so deep I can't find it. At the bottom of it all, I've been looking for a way in, but I find myself still at the gate, and I'm patiently, painfully waiting. Put his hands on my face, the kind of touch that made me chase him down like it's true love. Tear me up, tear me down, ooh, like it was true. Oh, every word that he's saying, I got a grip, keep me staying. I'm like, oh Lord, pull me in and let me go. Should've known the first time you played with me like I was a devil, and I played with you like you were just a man. Wanna lay with you, but I'd never better from your love. These are the days. Take what you need, darling, I'm just here for you. Give me your love and physical affection. Give me the worst of you, the whole you to take me to the heavens. Give me the best of all the greatest. You make life worth living. You make life worth living. Babe, I know you're not shy. It's not the first. You got me high on expectations. You got a thing for letting me down. and I want you to stay with me, make me feel better. It's not a day when I'm not thinking of you. So do you think of me when times are feeling the weather? It's your love, it's your game. Take what you need, darling, I'm just here for you. Give me your love and physical affection. Give me the worst of you, the whole you to take me to the heavens. Give me the best of all the greatest. You make life worth living. You make life worth living. And my highest when you're gone, give me a golden guarded soul. But when I'm crazy and I'm lost, you're coming down and down. Take what you need, darling, I'm just here for you. Give me your love and physical affection. Give me the worst of you, the whole you to take me to the heavens. Give me the best of all the greatest. You make life worth living. You make life worth living.
I like the sound of your heartbeat. Your pulse is pushing against me. I'm good when you are around. You keep me warm in your bloodstream. You keep me calm when you breathe in. Now I don't know what I've done. I've been trying, but not enough. Please do not give up on us. I'm a wolf howling in the moonlight, calling out like a fool, howling on your doorstep, calling out. I hate that everything's different. My clothes, my haircut is different, but still I'm feeling the same. What is eternal about love if there's a way to turn it off? You know, so show me the way. But if try